Uber and Lyft drivers now get guaranteed pay.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so if you're an Uber and Lyft driver now, you now qualify to get guaranteed pay in a lot of cities. And even if you work for other gig app companies. So, how does it work? So, if you drive for Uber or for Lyft, you can now sign up for an app called Solo. Guaranteed pay will have the link below. And just as a little bonus, they're going to send you $10 for signing up. Might as well get that $10, try it out. But this is how it works. So you can sign up for these little shifts that they have. And they're not required, by the way. You can still, use your own schedule. But you
Yeah.
can, yeah, they're in all these cities and they're expanding like rapidly. So the reason why a lot of people are like, hey, they're not in my city. You're wasting my time, or like you're scamming me. I'm like, okay, this is actually a really good thing that they're not nationwide, because most apps that go nationwide right away, they end up failing. They end up going bankrupt. That's why you if you go back to my old videos, you see me talk about a lot of these apps, they're no longer here. Solo, on the other hand, their team is extremely smart. They decided, hey, we're going to go into a market. We're going to figure out our app, make sure it's successful, and then we're going to slowly expand. Can you imagine if they just launch in LA and San Francisco like immediately? If they're going to have like hundreds of thousands of drivers trying to, and it's just going to like, probably their app's going to crash or something. They're a newer app. So they're expanding. Yeah, Florida, Texas, Washington. They're in a lot of places.
Soon.
Huh?
Hopefully it comes to LA soon.
Yeah, I think they will soon. But yeah, you can sign up for these little apps, or for these little shifts, and a lot of people really really like it. So yeah, these are all the ones they're in now. But to get the free $10, you can be anywhere in the country. They have a free version nationwide, so you can sign up for the free version, get your $10, and then the oh, is the basic one $5.99 now? Maybe they don't have a free one anymore. Or they just changed it.
Hmm.
Okay, we'll have to make an update with that. But yeah, you can check it out. And yeah, they have all the prices here. So go sign up for Solo, link below.